Hey, it's Tom from Tom's Toons. This is a quick tip for the end of the year when you're in the colder climates like us up here in Michigan regarding your battery. When I'm uninstalling a battery, we're about to shrink wrap this boat. It was just restored last summer using the teak flooring and the luxury seats from pontoonstuff.com. We're winterizing it for them. I'm gonna pull the battery rather than leave it out in the freezing cold, potentially below zero. Even if it's topped off, even if it's charged, I still want to pull it inside if I can help it. Throw it in the basement, throw it on a piece of wood or rubber underneath it so it's not sitting flat on concrete. All of those things are going to make your battery last longer in the long run. But I've seen this before, and I've seen people have problems not remembering what to hook back up to which terminal on the battery. So what I'm going to do for this customer, just so there's no confusion, this is my positive lead here. This is my negative. There's red for the motor cable. Just so we don't risk it, we're gonna go ahead and zip tie all of these together, just down a couple inches from the terminal. And then I'm gonna do the same on this negative, keeping all these black wires together, especially with my starting cables. That's what's gonna indicate my negative and my positive, because there is a black for negative for this, the battery cables from the motor, and a red for the positive. Now, when I unhook these, I've already loosened them with a wrench. I can go ahead and pull those off. Get them out of the way. I can pull my battery now. Now those battery cables can hang out. And when it's time to hook everything back up in the spring, we just find our positive and our negative, and we can hook everything back on. A lot simpler, a lot easier in the springtime than trying to sort out and maybe hook things up backwards. Thank you for watching this quick tip. Hope it helps when you're putting your boat away for the winter.